Welcome to the show how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from POCO into a POCO C50. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings option. Here go into against the shortcuts option and now choose launch Google Assistant option. And here we got our press and hold the power key for a half second to activate our Google Assistant. So this position of switcher, it's unlink this option, and if we tap one more time, like blue, it's activate this option. Let's try double press and hold, and how you can see we activate our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.